one of the culinary road trips, we'll be going down to Little Havana, one of my absolute favorite places in the entire state of Florida. Obviously, huge Cuban influence, so really great food, really great coffee, and honestly, really, really great people. Also, other neighborhoods to note in Miami or South Beach is Wynwood, kind of a center for the arts, lots of taco stands, lots of food trucks, lots of craft breweries, and a couple artisan distilleries. Really happy to host everyone. See you out there on the road trips.
I'm fusing flavors, techniques, and ingredients from Peru, from Brazil, from Venezuela, from Argentina, from Mexico.
This is the real deal. Can I marry all these ingredients together?
It is original, but at the same time, traditional. You have the spectrum of beautiful techniques that go throughout the entire menu, representing Latin culture in each country as one.
We're going to do a cobia tiradito with a little ají amarillo sauce. We really just wanted to showcase the texture and the freshness of the fish that we're pulling out of the Florida waters. Right. We're just going to take our avocado, a little red onion, a little olive oil, and then my favorite part of the dish, it just adds so much crunch and texture, is this beautiful chocolo. Finish with some of our lemon basil, so another layer of citrus there. So I'm just going to season the fish here with a little bit of Maldon sea salt. And that's the dish right there.
I get excited, because we have a great menu or there's something in season that I'm super passionate about, and I'm like happy to see someone's response when they get it. Our mission is to create something where visually it's stunning, but we're still using a very classical way of cooking. We're still taking a piece of meat and seasoning it really with great spices and roasting it and basting it with butter and thyme. I think now is a better time than ever. I feel like Miami's culinary scene is the best I've seen it.
We'll see some applications with avocado in Miami in that market that have legs and have the possibility to go all kinds of places. Consumers are hungry for, they can't get enough of them, so just finding even more ways for them to work onto menus is part of our job, and I think being in Miami will show us some new ideas for sure.